Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the Community Curator at the Salisbury Museum. The video that follows is one of 4 inspiration videos to get you thinking about how you might be able to take part in our Pick and Mix Instagram exhibition. There'll be information at the end of the video on where you can find out more information. So for the moment, sit back, relax, and maybe answer some of the questions. So what I'm going to start with is one of the fundamental objects that are part of the collection of the Salisbury Museum, the hand axe. This is representative of so much in human history, the beginning of our civilization and culture in many, many ways. But the reason I like it is because it's such a practical item. It will have been special to people because it was essential. I also enjoy how these hand axes fit in the palm of your hand. With certain of them, when you pick them up, you can feel where the hand grips are and where the fingers would have gone. I love to be able to imagine the people who have held that object before. But what I want you to do is to think about the objects in your life that hold a special place because of their practical use. Now I'm going to give you an example from my life. It's not very glamorous, it's not very unusual. You'll have one in your drawer. This is a potato peeler, but it's not any potato peeler. It's my mum's potato peeler that I nicked from her drawer when I left home at 18. I've always had it. It fits in the palm of my hand. I can use it so easily. And I have tried other potato peelers and they do not cut the mustard. So, do you have something, either something that's been repurposed, found, made or stolen, that has that significance? Now this also connects me to my mum. Thinking about, like with the hand axes, feeling those hands through history. There's something about the fact that this was my mum's, has been in her hand, that means that I'm connected to her. Find that personal connection that makes objects so important.